Man, hindi ako makapaniwala na maraming kabataan ang masyadong tumutugtog, kumakanta ng mga kiddie songs, at nanonood ng napakaraming palabas ng baby show sa TV. At karamihan sa kanila ay mahilig manood ng mga palabas na pinakapambata lalo na sa Amerika, katulad ng PBS Kids. Ayoko ko ang ginawang nila. Masyado siyang pambata, at ang ibang mga tao ay napakatanda na para manood ng mga ganoong klase ng palabas sa TV. Bakit hindi na lang sila manood ng iba, at talagang mas bagay sa edad nila? Teka, paano kung pilitin ko silang manood ng SMNI ni Pastor Quiboloy? Katulad ng Laban Kasama ng Bayan at Sounds of Worship ni Pastor Apollo Quiboloy. Alam mo kung ano, yun lang. Maglalagay ako ng Laban Kasama ng Bayan at Sounds of Worship sa PBS Kids. Sa ganoong paraan, mapipilitan ng mga batang idiot na yun na manood ng mga sermon ni Quiboloy sa halip na manood ng mga kalokohang baby show sa buong taon. At sa natitirang bahagi ng kanilang buhay. At heto na, ito ang punong tanggapan ng PBS na Estados Unidos. Ngayon, narito ang aking pagkakataon na ihak ang kanilang pangunahing network. Baguhin natin ang schedule ng channel na ito, kasamang ng Laban Kasama ng Bayan, Sounds of Worship ni Pastor Apollo Quiboloy, Give Us This Day, Batang Kaharian, Gikan sa Masa para sa Masa, etc.
2 hours later.
Tapos na. Uuwi na ako ng mabilis. Baka may makakita pa sa akin. Manunood na ako ng Mommy Dearest sa GMA 7.
I wonder what's on PBS Kids. I think All His Way will come up next.
Mga kababayan, may mga katanungan po nga pinaabot ng ilan sa mga reporters po natin dito sa SMNI at later on may mga sasama po sa atin ng mga vloggers so na
Someone hacked into the PBS Kids studio and spammed it with SMNI shows. And I don't like SMNI because of disinformation and kept on defending Pastor Apollo Quiboloy, and his sermons are manipulative and deceiving. Because Quiboloy is not the Son of God. Only Jesus is. I don't want others to believe that he is the appointed Son of God. I was looking forward to watch the new episodes of All His Way, and Hero Elementary, Rosie's Rules, Lila in the Loop, and so on. Not this trashy Quiboloy's speeches, and it is not Adijai, because she's in her room. Where could have gone wrong? Wait a minute. I knew it. It is Banoy Banoy. I know it is him because he behaves like my naughty sister. And he has an idolatrous heart for Pastor Apollo Quiboloy. He should know that PBS Kids is a preschool children's channel, not a religious channel, and especially Quiboloy's, and it's not appropriate. That's it. I'm calling his parents.
Let's watch the new episode of Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood on PBS Kids.
Yay. I love Daniel Tiger. He's so cute.
God's boundless grace has ordained this great gospel for all the world, and it's yours personally. As the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, the name above every name, presents the Gospel of the Kingdom with Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy. And this Gospel of the Kingdom will be preached in all the world for a witness unto all nations, and then shall the end come. Matthew chapter 24, verse 14.
Hey, don't watch that. He's a criminal.
Yes, please turn it off. I don't like Quiboloy. He is a creep on many kids. I thought it was Daniel Tiger, but it was wrong. Where could have
We
gotten
know
wrong with
him.
PBS Kids, and because of that,
How many
my
gods
friends
are
will
there?
not support this channel anymore.
I know, right, cousin. It might be someone who would break into it. That means
Do I
someone
belong
break
to
on
a
this channel and
denomination
unauthorizedly
called
altering the
oneness?
schedule.
No
I'm going to
denomination
change the
here.
channel to Disney Junior instead.
Phew, that was close. And look, Kindergarten the musical is on, my favorite.
You're very welcome. Let's watch it together. It's so much fun.
Hey, why is it Give Us This Day by Pastor Kiboloy from SMNI airing on PBS Kids? This is not the appropriate program to be aired on PBS Kids.
Yeah, we were looking forward to watch Caillou, but this creepy pastor's show is on his head. We don't support SMNI because of too many fake news and addictive shows.
I was also gonna watch Sesame Street on PBS Kids as well, but no, this dangerous creep has popped on instead. I hate Kiboloy so much.
You're right, boys. We better change this channel now. We cannot watch this channel right now until it goes back to normal. Let's watch CBBS instead.
Yay! I love CBBS too. I think we can watch the Furchester Hotel now. It's like Sesame Street, but it's in the hotel.
And spoiler alert, Elmo and Cookie Monster are there too. Ha ha.
Much later.
Banoy 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 Banoy. Get over here right now.
Banoy Banoy, I cannot believe that you spammed PBS Kids with shows from the controversial channel, SMNI, which was rightfully shut down last year due to a cease and desist order. Do you know that hacking broadcast networks is a grave offense? That you could get put in jail? You're lucky you weren't in jail, because you are still a minor. Why did you do that?
Ang maraming bata kasi ang nagpapakaisip bata sa panunood ng mga kalokohang palabas ng baby shows na yon at nagpatuloy sila sa paglalaro. At walang silang disiplina. Ang channel ng PBS Kids ay para sa Amerikano lamang at para sa preschoolers. Ayoko na ito ang channel. I'm 14, siraulo ka, at tinatrato nila akong parang bata.
That's no excuse for what you have done. PBS Kids being a preschool channel is not the excuse of hacking the schedule on their channel. That's a serious offense. I bet your reason why did you that is because you think you're too old for that channel and you want to force many children to worship Kiboloy and be like him. Kiboloy is a bad influence towards a lot of people, especially you. He's teaching children how to act violently. And we don't want them to happen. And how many times do I have to tell you? Age doesn't matter for channels like PBS Kids. No one is too old for any channel for preschoolers. And age is only a number. PBS Kids exists for a good reason. And it is to ensure that kids have high quality education and good life experience in school, in life and the community. And PBS Kids is not just exclusively for American kids. It can also be enjoyed by many people elsewhere in the world, including the Philippines. And you don't care about that. Those shows on the channel have good points in ensuring that little kids have a decent and fruitful experiences in childhood.
That really is it, young man. You are now grounded for a month for hacking PBS Kids with SMNI bull trash.
This means no TV for the rest of the day, no social media, no time out with your friends, and no Filipino content for a month. Also, you'll also write a 1,000-word essay on why you shouldn't spam TV channels with controversial content, especially children's channel. Now go to your room and start writing. Hey! No slamming doors either. Young man,